Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit an existing library by adding new widgets to it. Okay, so make sure that you have selected the Android Lite library from this drop-down list here. So click on Android Lite. Okay, now click on this overflow menu or the options menu. Click on Edit Library. This is going to open a new window in which you can start editing the library. Okay, so this new window should be titled Android Lite. Okay, now this is the pane where new widgets can be created and added. And as you can see that there are 4 folders here. So these are different kinds of widgets that are available in Android Lite library. Okay, I'm just gonna drag it a little bit down. Okay, so we want to create a new widget inside the screens folder. So if you click on it, you'll see currently it has an Android body widget, a slider widget, a refresh widget, an action sheet widget, so on and so forth. So make sure that screens is selected. Now click on add widget icon. This is going to create a new widget for you. We're going to call this widget Android home screen. Okay, now this widget is supposed to be inside the screens folder. If it's not, then just drag it and just drop it here. Okay, it has to be at the same level as all the other widgets. Okay, so make sure that it's at the same level. Now double click it, this widget here, to open it up. Okay, you should see the name of this widget right here, Android screen, home screen. If you don't see Android home screen here, that means it is not selected. Make sure that you do see the same name as the name here. Okay. A lot of other widgets are also open right now. We are just going to close them because we don't really need them. Okay, now we have Android home screen widget opened up. What we are going to do is we are going to drag image widget from the all libraries or the default library onto the page here. Okay, we're going to make it as big as the Android screen. Okay, now we have to add the image screen, the home screen image into this widget. So in order to do that, you actually have to download the files that I have given you. So go back to the Moodle page, and in the prototype building assignment, there is a zip folder called files. Download it. And make sure you unzip the files. You can just unzip it wherever it's convenient for you. I'm just going to keep it in the downloads folder. All right. So we are looking for this particular image, home page. So go back to Axure. Make sure that the image widget is selected. Okay, we are back in Android Lite library edit version. select it, and then in your styles pane, and the style pane here, find in the fill section, there is an icon here. It says image. Click on it, click on select, navigate to the location where you downloaded the files, and find the home page icon. Open, and now you have the home screen widget created. Okay, now we are going to save this. We are actually going to overwrite the existing Android library. So remember, our location was Documents, Axure, Libraries, Android Lite version 2.0, and then you're selecting the RP widget library here and then saving it, overwriting. Just say yes. And that's it. Now we are done with adding widget. It is there. It is available for anybody to use. You can close the widget here, but it should still appear. If you click on it, you can see what you created. Okay, and now we are done with editing the library, so we will close it and we will return back to our Android, our Axure software. Okay, and select the Android Lite library here and go to this screens section, and you will see the new widget that you just created appear here. If for some reason it's not appearing here, you can try adding the library again. You click here, you click on it, or you can just restart your Axure RP, but it should appear here after you have created the widget.